Imagine boarding a plane, stepping onto a ship, or simply going about your daily routine and within moments, finding yourself in one of the deadliest accidents in human history. These disasters claimed thousands of lives, shocked the entire world, and changed safety regulations forever. Today we're counting down the top 5 most deadliest accidents ever. Stay until the end because the number 1 disaster was so devastating that its impact is still felt decades later. Number 5. The Bhopal Gas Tragedy 1984. It was supposed to be just another night in Bhopal, India. But shortly after midnight, a deadly gas leaked from a chemical plant, spreading silently through the city. People woke up coughing, struggling to breathe, and running in panic through the streets. Thousands died within hours, while many more suffered lifelong health problems. The terrifying part, most victims had no idea what was happening until it was too late. And if you think that horrifying, the next disaster turned a peaceful voyage into a nightmare. Number 4. The RMS Titanic Sinking 1912. Known as the unsinkable ship, the Titanic was considered a marvel of engineering. Then came the iceberg. Within hours, the massive ship began sinking into the freezing Atlantic Ocean. More than 1,500 people lost their lives. Here's the strange part, there weren't enough lifeboats for everyone on board. Imagine being told the safest ship ever built was sinking beneath your feet. But our next disaster wasn't caused by nature alone. It was triggered by something even more dangerous: human error. Number 3. The Chernobyl Nuclear Disaster 1986. A routine safety test at a nuclear power plant suddenly spiraled out of control. An explosion rocked the facility, releasing massive amounts of radiation into the atmosphere. Entire towns were evacuated. Homes were abandoned forever. Some areas remain unsafe even today. Quick question: would you live in a city where no one has lived for decades? As chilling as that sounds, the next tragedy occurred in just seconds and became the deadliest aviation accident ever. Number 2. The Tenerife Airport Disaster 1977. 2 fully loaded passenger jets found themselves on the same runway in heavy fog. Visibility was almost zero. Then, disaster struck. The collision killed 583 people, making it the deadliest accident in aviation history. One misunderstanding, one moment of confusion, hundreds of lives lost, and now we arrive at the deadliest accident on our list. Number 1. The China Banqiao Dam Failure 1975. After extreme rainfall and flooding, multiple dams collapsed in China. The result was catastrophic. Massive walls of water swept through towns and villages, destroying everything in their path. The death toll is estimated to have exceeded 170,000 people, making it one of the deadliest accidents ever recorded. Entire communities vanished. Families were separated. The scale of destruction was almost unimaginable. These disasters remind us how quickly life can change and why safety measures matter more than ever.